Welcome, beautiful. Oh my goodness, I am so glad that you are here and that we are sharing the space together for the next 22 days and beyond. And yes, there will be bonuses. This is your journey. And the truth is, there is also several other women alongside you also reading the very same email that you have received, undergoing this very same program in this moment. And so I want us all to take a moment and imagine that we are sitting in circle together, maybe holding hands, uniting our hearts and wombs to invite more sacredness into the experience of life itself. And because when women come together in circle, the world heals a little more, head over and join our Telegram community space to motivate each other, witness each other grow, and share your experience, hardships, celebrations with a tribe who truly understands what you are going through. So I'll see you there. Now, a couple of words why I created this program. It's for you to realize that you are creating your reality all the time. So you better do it consciously. It is to help you bridge the two or even many realities that you're living in and to support you integrate your divine self into your daily life. Because in the end, everything is energy, right? And so you are the creatrix and the channel to direct energy in the way you desire and create the life you dream of. So how are we going to go along in the next 22 days? So every day for the next consecutive 22 days, you will receive an email straight into your inbox with impulses, inspiration, short exercises, meditations that you can easily incorporate into the flow of your day. And we will be touching all areas of your life, from connecting to yourself, your family, your partner, work, and any mundane tasks such as filing taxes or cleaning the house. And I am sharing with you many of my own practices that have helped me to foster a deeper connection and sense in everything, especially with tasks that I less like. So I know what you're thinking. I don't have time for that. And don't worry, calm the mind. The program is exactly curated to fit into your busy schedule. I know this. So all exercises can easily be incorporated into your everyday flow. And if at any point you have the desire to make it less or more, then that's absolutely beautiful. And you feel free to do exactly what you like. And remember, new habits take a little time and effort before they come to bloom. So some tips on how to make the most out of your experience. Please make sure to save my contact or flag it as safe so that the emails that you receive every day do not land in the spam folder and get directly to you. I recommend to read or listen through the emails every morning, and I promise to keep it short and accessible because in the mornings we are more receptive, and this will literally set your tone and energy blueprint for the day ahead. Now, everything is self-paced. If you feel that the topic of the day is not applying to you, see if you can tweak it or save it for when the moment comes to revisit it again. And this is not a playbook, and there's no one size fits all. So make this program a fun inquiry for your daily routines, and then make it your own. You decide what resonates, which exercises you want to explore, or maybe even take to the next level. After all, this is an offering that is meant to inspire and support the sacred lifestyle that you are building. And very important, be patient with yourself. Everything in life, every new thing takes time. New habits take time. That's why the series supports you over a period of 22 days and beyond, as this is the time that it takes for your brain and your nervous system to accept that you have established a new routine now. So simply have fun and enjoy. This is not supposed to be a burden and an additional to-do on your daily task list. This is the glue connecting your routines and your tasks with your sacred purpose. And lastly, join forces with a trusted sister or a dear friend to have a built-in support system to keep each other motivated and accountable when challenges arise. Because embarking on this transformative journey together, you get to share the excitement and also the joy. So you can send them the link to register. And also, I'm warmly welcoming you in our Telegram support community, where we are going to be sharing all of our experiences as these beautiful creatrixes that we are. So I'm looking forward to connecting tomorrow and get the 22 days of mastering your creatrix powers started with you. I am sending you so much love. You've got this.